Hello everyone, I'm going to show you today how to make chicken 65. I have put the masala for the chicken. I have washed very well and I have put the masala, little ginger garlic paste, garam masala, turmeric, and above that lemon. I have squeezed the lemon and a pinch of red color. And here you can see I have chopped 5 to 6 tomatoes, onions. Here I have, you can see how I have cut the chilies, little coriander leaves, and the other side I have kept it the vessel to heat the oil. Now I'm adding little chilies first, and then I'm going to add garam masala. Now you can see I'm adding garam masala powder, onion, capsicum, one above the other, everything I'm going to add, and finally I will put the chicken which is fully marinated. Now you can see I'm taking 1 spoon of garlic and 1 spoon of ginger. Above that I'm going to put little garam masala above this. You can see on this ginger garlic paste I'm putting 2 pinch of garam masala as it gives taste. For this chicken 65 we are not going to add turmeric. Apart from that, same all the ingredients. Now you can see I have added the chicken which I have kept it for marination, putting all the masala, same ginger garlic and salt, little curd and lemon. Above that the color that I had kept it for marination. Now I am adding this for the oil which is heat, and even the onions are cooking well. A little pinch of salt. Now I am going to add little coriander powder, half spoon, because I have taken a little less chicken. Now you can see I'm adding tomato. Again the same way I'm going to add it, and I'm going to keep on stirring it till the onion and tomato becomes juicy. After that, once it becomes juicy, then I'm going to add curd, and above that a cornstarch flour which is mixed in water, and little pinch of color to make your gravy little thick. So this is chicken 65 curry. It will be very delicious, friends. So I hope you will definitely try. Everybody cooks and ingredients will be same, but the thing is they don't follow the instruction. If you dump all the things one above the other, then definitely it won't be tasty. It gives a weird taste. So now you are supposed to follow instruction one above the other, how to add and how to cook, and you will get a royal taste. This is chicken. I will show you once it is fully cooked. I'll show you how I'll add curd, and then above that I'll just in butter I'll put the capsicum for frying, and I'll just put the butter and the capsicum once it is fully cooked. You can see I'm adding the salt as per the taste. We take a lot of tomatoes and onions, so it will become sweet and spicy. So you should add it properly as per your taste. And even chilies, I have added green chilies. So you should look after about the red chili powder, how much you have to add it. You can see I have added the curd. Once it becomes thick, I'm going to add little water so that chicken should boil, and the vessel should not catch from, it should not get roasted, or it should not, your gravy should not become black in color. It should not turn. So you can see how rich flavors are coming. Aroma have begun. The capsicum have started, cooking with the chicken, and it is becoming juicy. So I'm going to add half glass of water so that your chicken gets well cooked. You can see I'm adding half glass of water. It takes time. Now within 20 to 15 minutes your chicken will be fully cooked. Friends, now you can see your delicious chicken 65 is ready. The gravy is becoming thick and your pieces are completely cooked. On the other side I have kept it for tadka. I have put the butter, and capsicum is I'm roasting the capsicum in the tadka to give the tadka to the chicken 65. Yes, it is half cooked. You can see your delicious, yummy, buttery chicken 65 is ready, and it gives you a restaurant style, Mughal style. Hope you like it, friends. Do try and do subscribe me. Thank you.
하루 돌아갈 수 있다면 그날